Apembaba is the motto. Yan found Kuchaloto after 90 minutes of football action. Krobias and Kotoko. Ashe 4 El Babara Sports Stadium. Mino Kase. Asante Kotoko Sifo. Kotoko Sifo. Yes. League table no say in the same ena aye after say Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Karela United. Abono Baku mienu miensa and 9. Amo matimu mienu. League table no I say na this weekend league a course no match day 8 na match day 8 ne results ni nyina wa ha me de bro Kumasa Sante Kotoko game no kwan goals na far so by bibia no yesi nkonya we be sorry a na ya Isaac stay a whole stories na afei enwumre kosiada yakoda na echina de aka bia no ye de ato so na league we no league it looked say ebefie because Kotoko boys no bono mamen do for me heart out for Hubert Joe yebeba Hubert Joe any and the Kotoko performance how Kotoko were able to win this particular game no with the details and more ebebro name no Johnny Asante Kotoko international reaction no 0247 107260 0247 107260 no without much wasting time obi and my found and ne games are a course no results are a buy no me wi a league table no then Asante Kotoko game no ye got the tactical analysis of the game no but the bebro e wo fie na be sim konya no ye ni je kwa soldier go soldier comes barracks remains the same Albert ko nemu no Kotoko create obi a he's going to be more than Albert stay and stake here but my results no e ma Bechem United any Nations FC and a chance here a boy I think Friday you know a 0-0 Bechem United any nation games no a 0-0 na say nation baby or done enye Ho United any media ma ball 1-1 Ho United any media ma a ball 1-1 and also any kakra EPM Prekum Chelsea etna fie ehye Vision FC 1-0 Prekum Chelsea etna fie ehye Vision FC 1-0 Basake Holy Stars ewiya omatena fie ama Kraso folk akoshe no 2-1 yes Hasu folk for no say omo away performance no eye pa yen kind of credit Hasu folk away performance no eye 11 wonders after so omo saki omo coach and as omo ni omo coach a party ways no almost 10 fie still elusu ye yes omo 10 fie elusu ye by 1-0 against Adriana 1-0 against Adriana swept through All Blacks and so newly promoted Premier League side Otnafie and so any Heart of Lions about 1-1 yes on the Heart of Lions about 1-1 Dreams FC no the relegation zone and then Owini ba kono a jumping every ho ama say me no ka say Dreams FC a free relegation zone Owini against Samates Ewofie yes Owini fie 2-0 against Samates and a baby any Gold Stars and so Etnafie na washe Young Apostles for by 1-0 Mimi free on 1-0 and also any the Kobai and the biggest score line recorded this week so far and Kumasi Asante Kotoko and the Karela game ye hwiwie sisia e be komu ye be ho tactical analysis no Asante Kotoko share 4 Emma Karela and me shemu 2 yes Karela shemu 2 Karela goal ba kuna penalty but in actuals no ye hwe ball na nye penalty Kotoko first of all there's the be blame and a camera to the be a camera I say na nkomodi e koso Kotoko reaction no say yenu ano me to the be a boy ni be na ya mo de hwe boy betime blame camera sir no you don't have to blame camera like that league table no say na ye after Kotoko winning you know most of the clubs about 8 games with the exception of Asante Kotoko ononko about 5 games. Into what it means they say Kotoko won 3 outstanding games. 3 outstanding games to Basake Holy Stars, Vision FC and Young Apostles. Yes. These is Asante Kotoko outstanding games no. Nemo meno kase say Kotoko abeda 8 with 11 points. See nation and so Kotoko abeda say 8 with 11 points. And Adriana United Adriana Stars ewo 18 points only lead Ghana Premier League this year about 8 games Adriana Stars at the first and a Kotoko that 8. We have points difference now. I say 18 minus 11 points. I say 7 points difference. 7 points difference. It's 7 points difference. No, Asante Kotoko. Our 3 outstanding games are 3 outstanding games. No, we have games now. But now, we can say Kotoko. Ebet me every nini na no aje 9 points. Kotoko je 9 points. Need be son 11 points. No, so I saying. Oko 20 points. Ogoro denche. Wakoda soro. Yes. Your calculation I hear the Super 24 TV, no. So projection, no. But Kotoko next game, no, is against Accra Suffolk. Next week, I won't cry. After league table, no, I'm full table, no, man. We are in a game, no. Adriana, 18 points. Or the first. Second position, medium, 17 points. Third position, baby, any Gold Stars, 16 points. Accra Suffolk at the fourth. 16 points. Heart of Lions at a 5th, 15 points. Samates at a 6th, 13 points. Karela for a show moneno, almost a 7th, almost 12 points. Asante Kotoko better 8 with 11 points, 3 outstanding games, about 5 games. Young Apostles, also outstanding back, we are never bounty, about 7 games. Or 9 or the 9th position with 11 points. 10th position, hohoi. About 8 games or 9 points. Nations FC, 11th position or 9 points. 12th position here, Vision FC. Vision also you never bounty on also 7 games or 8 points or that 12th position. And a 14th position here, Swedro All Blacks. Swedro All Blacks and so about all the games or a 14th position with 7 points. Swedro All Blacks there, and a 15th position, Dreams FC, and also about all the games or 15th position or 7 points. Now relegation for the year. Bechem United, Ekra, and Manu 6 or the 16th position or 6 points. Bechem United asem ena making. Ena di otwato yes, Basaki Holy Stars. Ena otwato. But before Basaki Holy Stars no, newly promoted side Techima 11 Wonders and also the 17th position are all 2 points. And new Techima 11 Wonders and yet all 2 points or 17 position and at 18 position you chat on the Basaki Holy Stars and also with 2 points only chat with 2 points. So league table no say NIN Kotoko next game is against Accra Suffolk. Utufo Nyankopon ya adoma Sunday or Accra Sports Stadium. Away game for Kotoko and a home game for Accra Suffolk. So Yesu Christo Maya Tosumi Yununa. We are going to witness a very football game and the excitement back. Now Asante Kotoko game no. Hubert Joe about 2 goals. And now player friend set Kwedo about 3rd goal. And a Peter Miduakwa ever shared the last goal. Emma Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In the first half, no, and a Kotoko shared 3-1. So Kotoko winning first half 3-1. And a second half, no, yabaye no, a 1-1. Inti Okabuma na 4-2. Ye pass a ball no, in the 6 minutes, and a set Kwedo nya Bobby. On the middle, and they call the left side of attack. Saka Dauda na neda ho. And a Saka Cheba Kuchimi no. And pull out. It's pull out no. And a Hubert Joe ebe ball volley. Pa! The goal no can be a goal of the season. And definitely it must contest for the goal of the season. And on the day Kumasa Asante Kotoko open and buy in the 6 minutes. Enti yabo na ena in the 15th minute Kumasi Asante Kotoko defense no central defense no and let's say ball be in and a Kamara pie by no slide there but Kamara and sa anka defender no and an anka ball no and a defender na titoye the defender na titoye no and a referee still penalty bia na ye ball no obi a wan replay but say Kamara as a mistake but truly it wasn't Kamara's fault but referee no and they get the decision wrong enti almost striker no ko gina ball no boy and a year 1-1 a year 1-1 na and this ma bebre edi sema be enson around 22nd minute no and a Krobia Asante Kotoko Peter Midwakwa this time on also ordered the right side of attack and onya bobi first goal no on the left side Saka na the man and at this time around in the middle central attacking area on no even though so start say on the right side but over central attacking area and a ochipu bobi into ochipu ball and a player a friend Hubert Joe again obey power drive and also hit a ball into the net and then 2-1 it's Asante Kotoko retook the lead sorry no it's Kotoko be taking lead in biom in the 22nd minute now your boko drew 35th minute no and Peter Midwakwa ya nti ball na the Peter Midwakwa 2 assists in the 35th minute goal a buy asset ko jo share no Peter Midwakwa and the senya bobi in the central attacking area ona and Opeja Musei no e call the other end the right side ohun say na set kwadwo ejina ho nti Opeja mu ko say no and a set kwadwo ni patietia or try call e ano de ni ti gbanyan and a koto keeper na chi and a yes saying 3-1 in favor of Asante Kotoko. It's a quiet 3-1 in favor of Asante Kotoko no. And then the poor first half no. Asante Kotoko in the first half was leading 3-1. Now your free second half ne buy no. Na ball no akoye the be American den don affairs. Kumasi Asante Kotoko aba game no. We're winning 3-1 in the first half. In the second half no. He doesn't need to exert much energy. Until Oye changes way. Or no more defensive minded. Oye Hubert Jawa was 2 goals already. Hubert Jawa is a darling boy. It's a really area unrisky the no uniform no this somewhere to the Dubai. It's or this somewhere to the Dubai no say he Saka Dauda. In the course of the game no. It wasn't spontaneous. It wasn't at the same time. And a Saka Dauda and so free mama Inusa Adams bye. This changes no yeah. And now player na me expect say na me bomb pie man say nke na obeshe goal. But and then the contribution to the game no was super. The work rate was low. Donzo Morefe me say a man at time. And then he might not have scored, but his contribution to the goal to the game and to the goals by was magnificent. The work rate was low. Ono na year assist at the 4th goal no by Peter Amidu Akwa eje no onya ba obi o pass ma Peter Amidu Akwa no orem na o se twa ma Peter Amidu Akwa nko no betima hye goal no but o se bo no rem ohun se Peter Amidu Akwa rem na o sa bo rem ma no na Amidu connect onye selfish the work rate no e was so de bia meka se wise Kobna Yaro no Kobna Yaro ye adwuma no e ma be queen na be queen bo goals no but sir a good time or no so the goals be ba me sure say player a friend of Morfin Donzo the goals no ebeba na ene ono so de na oye no so in the 65th minute na oye sa assist na ma Asante Kotoko enya the 4-1 so the match on ekoye 4-1 until few minutes around 70th minute no ena in the central area on Kotoko the central defense no we started Joseph Ablo and Henry Ansu and Aboba Akubi so omu defender no he's also the captain and now unya bo bi na banyan and also okoshe ya 4-2 a caught us unaware and a ma results ni ejina 4-2 on. So after the 4-2 no then na Kotoko dey relax you protect your score line no, but no more pressing more but more pressing ya etima fa bibia amma and the eventual score line became 4-2 for Asante Kotoko. Player yes singling out and the man of the match without any slight shake of doubt Hubert Joe was the man of the match. Me free hono na me ba studio I say na me nyanyi but me the amano me nim so won the amano. Hubert Joe was outstanding today and he deserves the man of the match. Donzo work rate highly superb. I was say ye shene de ne bona baso. Hubert Joe ade bi wo Hubert Joe ho. I say Donzo so perhaps usua Hubert Joe ye betima convert na be striker. Onya bo a enya afi na wo betwetwe awuram. Bo beto ne na so no hu se obetima ba. He tries shot at goal no. Or try the other time na your former striker be advise your players no. Say I think Sadiq Adams or say so yenya ball na yen try bi. Yen try we a striker. So unya ball na another we offensive player for Kumasi Asante Kotoko we forwarder. When you get the ball try Hubert Joe goes ni nyina onya ya pa so we sa 5 at least a move 2 and answer 1 will result to a goal. That is a key hallmark of Hubert Joe. Also of course no yes I na ebebo Asante Kotoko ama Kotoko winning this particular game no. Then Donzo so ebetima sua onya bo a obetima try bi ball ne de wonya enya chance kura na wonya no try and the 2 goals or say nyina sa na de ba why pass man go be say go gina so ne ade na say na mum no wonya try bi so the ade na wonya try bi. Congrats Asante Kotoko.